We are building the brand new NZXT H7 Flow. Very excited about getting to do this build. Showing off a new case is always fun, and I always love doing stuff like that. So this is always a treat when we get to actually debut a new case. In terms of what's happening today, let's start with the parts list. We are building inside of the NZXT H7 Flow. Here is the parts we're using today. Who's ready to start building? It's no frills, let's build, Robey. I'm just getting it started. Okay, there we go. We got our 14700K. Okay, there we go. Oh, that just popped off. Here we go. 99.6. Oh, 96 on that one, but there, we definitely got it already. Okay, that's good. Let's go ahead and grab our case, show this bad boy off. So this is the brand new case from NZXT. This is the H7 Flow. This is their new H7 Flow, not to be confused with their older H7 Flow. This is their 2024 H7 Flow. It's toolless in terms of getting into it, so it's just very simple to kind of get through. Goes like that. Forgot you can take this out, which is gonna make this easier. It's gonna take the front out. There you go. So here's our new fan. These are the new ones that come from, the new ones from NZXT. Like it just, I knew that was gonna happen. Look at that, I love it, it's magnetic. You know, look at that. Next up, we're gonna do our AIO. Okay, got to get our fans out here. Luckily, there's this beautiful place right here at the top to run these cables. So they're nice and even with everything. Go. The right call. Okay, let's throw in our GPU. Okay, there we go. Here's our 4070 Ti, our beautiful white 4070 Ti. Beautiful. There we go. Okay, let's get our PSU in and then we're done. Oh, hold on. Go. There we go. Just gonna plug into that. Takes care of that. What do you guys think? back panel, which is perforated on the side, so so your PSU can get some air. And there it is. The build is put back together. And there is your build. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, snap, it's on. There it is, guys. It is already up. Beautiful. I love it. What do you guys think? Plug in our display port, and then we're going to test our thermals and stuff. So just showing inside of here, it looks like we're still topping out. We're getting a little bit warmer here, 86, 87 though. Looks like temps-wise, we're going to be great. Yeah, render-wise, everything like synthetic-wise, we're in good shape. Okay, so let's check out Cyberpunk first. The highest in terms of GPU, so we're going to run it in overdrive, running it with DLSS, running it on auto, turning on ray reconstruction, but not frame generation. This is going to give us probably the warmest you'll see from the GPU standpoint. So we'll do 2 different ones to show you highest GPU temps, and then we'll run one that's like more your standard base level. This thing can handle pretty much everything at 1440p. Right there, from a temp standpoint, it was sitting in the mid 60s, and then your 4070 Ti got into the high 50s, but no issues whatsoever. Okay, so let's kind of crank a little bit more. We'll set it back to ray tracing and ultra. We're gonna put this on DLSS. We're gonna put it on DLAA, which means this is not using upscaling at this point. It's running raw, but also doing AI anti-aliasing. So this is about the crispest you will see this game run. Yeah, so there you go right there. This is typical right there. So you're looking high 50s, low to mid 60s on your CPU. So we go 79.30, and then let's go like just standard. So we'll do DLSS, we'll put it on balanced, and then this is more your regular kind of Cyberpunk run. So this is just typical. Like you can see, temps on the CPU are a little bit lower. Well, no, they're actually a little bit higher in this case. And then you're seeing your GPUs are actually a little bit lower. So there you go, guys. There is giving you a great idea of gaming temps, what that's essentially like. So no issue there whatsoever. So again, 50, 40, 40s here. Nothing too bad. Anyway, guys, that is it for us this fine Wednesday evening. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you guys on tomorrow's episode. Bye, guys.